everyone. Thanks for joining me this week. I am reaching out because I want to talk to you about two different things that I want you to start planning for right now. It is September. It is time to start thinking about fall. And if you're just like me, I live here in sunny Arizona. It is still 100 degrees, so it's kind of hard to start wrapping your head around fall, but all of the stores and retailers are a great way to start prompting you to do just that. They are already putting out all of the fall decor and getting ready, and that means for your business, it's time to do the same. So what I'm doing this month is focusing on that for my clients, and I felt like it was necessary to share this with you so that you can get your mindset wrapped around going ahead and doing it. It feels overwhelming. Maybe you've got tons of orders, you've got lots of things going on, you're trying to plan other stuff, you've got family. I understand that. However, it's time to start thinking a little bit about what you want to do with your fall marketing, because putting that strategy and stuff in place now is what's going to help you show up really well later when you are ready to push those sales, when you are ready to have a Black Friday special, when you are ready to, do a Halloween special, do something to kind of introduce fall to your followers and your audience. And as those sales start to happen, there are going to be lots of sales going on, right? Lots of businesses are going to be selling everything or something to their audience. So if you want to have a jump start on being successful with your sale, you need to start putting that strategy into play. And that is why I want to say it's time now to start planning your fall marketing. And if you're like, oh my God, I can't even wrap my head around it, it's okay. At least identifying that goal and then referring to your marketing specialist to help you will allow us to start planning ahead. And that's what I do for my clients. I'm sitting here and already planning ahead. So that's why this episode felt 100% necessary to get you immersed into the fall. And the stores are helping you do that. The great part about it is they're going to help you also be able to grab props and things to do now, because you need to be doing these three things this month in order to be successful. A, identify what that marketing campaign is going to be. Do you have something that you're launching in October? Do you have fall scents or fall themed products that you're going to be putting out? Do you want to run any specials or sessions? I said sessions because, photography. Specials. Are you going to be running any specials or discounts that you're wanting to provide your audience? Because you're going to need to make sure it's incorporated in your emails, your social content, your reels, and any of those things coming up. And again, you can rely on your marketing person to help that, but just at least identifying that you're ready to do those things is going to be super important. And then just outlining what that's going to look like, when you might want to run that, and start planning ahead. That's going to help you do what the second thing is that you should start working on this month, and that is photo shoots and videos. Because we all know that Reels has taken over the planet. Everything video is hot right now. You need to be planning out whether you need photos to update your site and the content that you have posted in other places like Pinterest or any blogs. And then you're also going to need photos or videos for social media so that you can continue to create graphics and reels and have some supplemental information that you can put out there to share with your audience. And sometimes that photo and that video may be used for ads if you're planning on running any ads this fall. Any of those things are going to help increase your visibility. Having a photo shoot focused around what that content is going to be for October, November, and December is going to be key in making sure that you're successful and your team is allowed to plan ahead and make sure that you have the content needed to run those promotions. So start creating that strategy, start identifying what it is that you're wanting to do, and do those things this month. Think about those photos, think about those videos, think about the objective of what you want to have each month, maybe just one objective. It can be just the discount, it can be just the products that you know are getting ready to come out, any of those things to just help you start inching closer towards the season that you want to have. Because the last thing you want to do is last minute plan it, last minute promote it, and then end up with little to no sales when you could have had a little bit more strategy and backing. The other thing that I wanted you to start planning and thinking about right now is Black Friday. Black Friday is going to sneak up on you so fast. We all know that the fall happens really fast. School's going on right now. There's lots of things that are happening, and it tends to be something that can fall on the back burner. But in order to make sure that your sales are successful, you've got to keep up your visibility and you've got to have a plan for what you're doing. So think about what that sale might look like. And again, just that high level objective of like, okay, I know I want to run a sale and I want to give a sneak peek like before Black Friday, and then here's what the actual Friday sale could look like, and outlining that just to give you some direction on where to start. Because you won't know what photos you need, you won't know what videos you're going to need, you won't know any of that information if you don't start thinking about it right now. So I want to challenge you to do that. I offer a free consult to the clients and the people that are prospective that just need a little bit of help, need some direction, need to get crystal clear on your content marketing. And if that's you, please feel free to reach out to me. I will link that below. Otherwise, click subscribe. Stay tuned for more content and support. And if you have any questions, you can always find me over on Instagram at crystalclear_creative studios.